Hi friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee and you are watching my channel Dr. Subrata Mukherjee Distance Learning in Commerce. Today we are going to discuss another problem on insurance claim for loss of profit. I would like to request my viewers to subscribe the channel and to browse the playlist section of the channel where I have uploaded lectures earlier. I would like to request all the students to note the problem in your notebook with the solution and try to understand the process that I have adopted here for your understanding. On 1st July 2022, United Furniture Dealers Limited took out a profit insurance policy for Rs 1,50,000 with a period of indemnity of 6 months. Net profit for the company for the year ended 30th June 2022 was Rs 1,20,000 and the turnover for the period was Rs 4,80,000. Standing charges for that period amounted to Rs 24,000 and those were fully insured. On 30th September 2022, a fire broke out and the normal turnover could not be restored before the end of 6 months. As a result, the reduction in turnover during the period of indemnity was Rs 48,000 when compared with the corresponding period in the previous year. In an effort to maintain the turnover, the increased cost of working was ascertained at Rs 7,200, although there had been a saving of Rs 800 in insured standing charges over the same period. Moreover, the turnover for the 12 months ended 30th September 2022 amounted to Rs 4,90,000, indicating an increase in turnover for the 2021-22 financial year. You are required to prepare a statement of claim against the insurance company. This is a problem of loss of profit. So here 4 steps we have to follow. So step 1, we need to calculate the rate of gross profit for previous year. So in order to calculate the rate of gross profit for the previous financial year, you need to know the net profit for the last financial year, and it is given in the question that the net profit for the last financial year, that is the profit for the year ended 30th June. I am writing for your understanding that the year ended 30th June 22 is Rs 1,20,000. So with this net profit, you need to add up insured standing charges, and it is given, it is Rs 24,000. So you have to add up these two and you will get 1,44,000. So what is the rate of gross profit for the previous financial year? So this is equal to Rs 1,44,000 divided by 4,80,000 multiplied with 100. So what is this 4,80,000? Turnover for the last financial year that is year ended 30th June 2022 is given as Rs 4,80,000. So the rate of gross profit for the previous financial year is calculated at 30%. So this is step number 1. So in step number 1, you need to calculate what is the rate of gross profit for the previous financial year. In step 2, you need to calculate what is the short sales. In step 2, short sales during the period of dislocation. And it is given in the question that the short sale during the period of dislocation is 48,000. So what is basically this short sale and how it is calculated? So short sale, you need, for the purpose of calculation of short sale, you need to know what is the period of dislocation. So period of dislocation is for 6 months, that is from 30th September 22 till 31st March 23. So this is the period of dislocation. Now you need to know the turnover during 30th September 21 till 31st March 22. So turnover during the period, the corresponding period in the previous year, you need to know. And from this you have to reduce the turnover during the period of dislocation, 30th September 22 till 31st March 23. So the difference of these two turnover is basically the amount of short sales. Now it is given in the question the amount of short sale as rupees 48,000. Now you have to calculate the step 3. So in step 3, you need to calculate the amount of gross claim. In step 3, I have to calculate the amount of gross claim. So what is the amount of loss of profit? So 30% is the gross profit rate that we have computed for the previous year, and the amount of short sale given as 48,000. So loss of profit is for rupees 14,400. And to continue the production, you have to incur standing charges, that is increased cost of working, that due to this dislocation there was an increased cost in the production. So increased cost of working is given as 7,200. So the loss of profit is 30%, that is the gross profit on amount of short sale, that is 14,400. You have to add up the increased cost of working for continuing the business during the period of dislocation. So the total of these two is 21,600, and you have to reduce the savings in insured standing charges. So it is given in the question that savings in insured standing charges is 800. So 20,800 is the amount of gross claim. Now the fourth step, you have to compute. So in step number 4, you need to compute the amount of net claim after application of average clause. So what we are going to calculate here, the amount of net claim after application of average clause. And for this purpose, you need to compute what is the gross profit on annual turnover. Please write this statement very carefully and try to understand. This is a very important statement that I am going to write. This is the amount of gross profit on annual turnover, that is the turnover for the 12 months immediately preceding the fire, and this is the amount of expected insurance policy amount. This is for your understanding. And it is given in the question, the turnover for the year ended 30th September 22 is rupees 4,90,000. So gross profit 30%, multiply it with 4,90,000 and you will get 1,47,000. So this is the amount of gross profit on the turnover for the year ended 30th September 2022, that is the turnover for the period preceding the date of fire. And we have computed at 1,47,000, and this is the amount of expected insurance policy amount. What is the actual insurance policy amount? The actual insurance policy amount is for rupees 1,50,000. So since the actual insurance policy amount is more than the expected insurance policy amount, which is 1,47,000, so net claim is equal to gross claim, which is equal to rupees 20,800. So this is the amount of claim that will be lodged with the insurance company for loss of profit. Hope all the students have noted the problem with solution in your notebook and you have followed the way that I have adopted here to solve the problem. In spite of this, if you find any difficulty in understanding, feel free to contact me through email and the contact number given in the description box. Thank you. Thanks for watching the lecture.